Basher, pinulutan ng Kim Pao Faney. Kim at Paolo, walang inamin, pang tandem lang at not real. Kaloka na mga bashers at kung ano-ano na lang ang ipinupukol sa tambalang Kim Pao ni na Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino. Sa nakarang interview kasi ni Sir Rico Hizon, kina Kim at Paolo, kung ano-anong mga katanungan ang ibinato sa dalawa at sinagot naman ito ng Kim Pao. Nang iba ay tila hindi diretsahang sinagot, kaya naman humahanap ng butas ang mga bashers. Ayon sa basher na ito, last interview nila, wala silang inamin. Pang showbiz lang talaga ang tandem nila. Not real. Nang dahil dito, pinutakti naman ng Kim Pao Solid ang naturang basher na yon. They are a couple. No, not at all. Just showbiz tandem. Then, defend Kim. Sure, of course. In the interview with Rico Hizon, Paolo mentioned being dragged into something but later clarified his willingness to work with Kim. Solid Kimmers, si Sir Rico. Okay, sabi mo eh. Why did you know? Close ka ba sa kanila and I truly believe they are waiting for 15 years. Hindi naman siguro love thing lang. We know. Not because they didn't say anything about their private lives. It means they are not in a relationship. Maybe they are just cautious. There are so many bashers nowadays and not sharing too much. It's just okay. Exactly the same. No, it is entirely different. Janine was the one who exposed herself by saying they are in a relationship, while Paolo didn't say anything. Paolo's personality is different from other actors. He doesn't want to discuss his private life, even when he was in a relationship with Casey Concepcion. He was very silent. He was only able to say the truth about them. When Chris Aquino interviewed him, knowing Chris, no artist can deny whatever truth you are hiding. He's a legit #Kimmers. The fact he flies to Manila with his wife just to see Kimi. Mr. Rico Hizon, international no journalist, is also a fan of Kim Chiu. He knows she is a good and kinikilig like everyone. Ganda at gwapo niyo po mga idols, Kim Chiu. #Kim Pao forever. Pretty Kimi. Wow, pretty. And good-looking, handsome Paolo.
Uy! Pakisabi naman pa.
Uy.
Too much na po ito for Paolo. Baka wala na po ito ititira sa press ko.
Ikaw!
O diba, kaloka na ang bashers na ito at pilit pa rin ipinapasok sa Kim Pao sina Janine Gutierrez at ganun din si Casey Concepcion. Ano ang magiging opinion nyo regarding dito? Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.